Welcome to the PCHC Technology Plan for 2019-2020. This will be implemented by our super talented team, administrator, supervisors, community members, and then the technology staff. Here's what we want to achieve with the launch of our technology and marketing plan, and we are combining both plans because they go so hand in hand in our line of work, and I'm going to share with you our 4 goals. First goal is to develop a technology plan, then to develop a marketing plan, to create a technology budget, and then finally to secure technology funding. Here's how we'll achieve these goals. Goal 1 was to develop a technology plan. So we'll do that by completing these 4 steps. Approve our belief statement, review our mission statement that's already written, establish technology goals, and then finally write our technology plan. In goal 2, we'll develop our marketing plan, and we'll do this by determining our target group and establishing our marketing tools. We'll gather the information we'd like to market, and then we'll plan our strategies. In goal 3, we'll create our technology budget. So we'll review our current budget, which is very small, write our technology wish list and prioritize it, and then create that final budget. In goal 4, we'll secure our technology funding. So we'll assess that budget that we wrote, we'll research funding that might be available and apply for those funding sources and then meet those deliverables. All of these goals will hopefully be achieved by June of 2020. So wish us luck, because PCHC is informative and innovative. Thank you.